Hi guys! Today I'm doing a 5 to 10 minutes makeup look for every day. This is what I do on my face, and it depends on how much time I have. So let's just get into it. I already did my brows, but I don't do them for long, I don't know, a minute or so. And I'll just set them with this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And it has small fibers in it. I don't know if you could see it. Now I'll use concealer. On this a bit drier days I'll use something a bit moisturizing. Oh, and I did moisture my face before. So now I'll use this Maybelline Anti-Age The Eraser Eye. It's in the shade Light, I think, yes. And I'll always go in here because I have most of darkness in here. Over that I'll use MAC's Waterweight concealer. I have a review about this concealer, so if you didn't watch it, I'll link it below so you can watch that video. I will blend it with Beauty Blender. And now I'll set my face with Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. And you want to be sure that your concealer isn't creasing, because if you set it when it's creased, it will stay creased all day and it will look very cakey. Rest of my face I'll set with this bigger, fluffier brush. Next I'll curl my lashes just so they can loosen up a bit while we get to mascara. Now I'll do my highlighter, and as usual I'll mix Mary Lou by the Balm and Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the Precious Petals. And I've said it before, I do this before contouring and bronzing because I don't want to have strike of highlighter on my face. I want all that to be blended and nice. I usually actually use white eye pencil in inner corners, and I'll tap it a bit and then I'll blend it so it opens up my eyes, but I can't find it, so now I use my highlighter. I always use some kind of highlighting pen in my waterline because I want my eyes to look opened and awake. And now for my bronzing and a bit of contouring, I'll mix this Essence Face Shape Your Face contour palette. It's in the shade 10 Ready Set Peach, and a bit of Anastasia contour kit. And I'll mix this darkest shade and this bronzing shade. then if I have time, I'll use this on my eyes, a bit on my crease, and I'll drag it down a bit on my lid. And then if I have more time, I'll mix these two highlights I have on my face, and with my finger I'll just tap it a bit on my lid. And it opens up a bit more your eyes. Now for lips, I'm using this small, tiny essence pencil, I know, but I can't find anything like this, and they don't make these pencils anymore. But the shade is perfect. They are very creamy, and I don't even understand why they stopped doing these pencils. I think these are the best lip liners I used. And to go over it, I'll use this Maybelline colordrama. I don't know what are these. Lip crayons or lip pencils. It's in the shade 630 Nude Perfection. And just a bit in the middle, I'll use this Golden Rose Long Stay Liquid Lipstick in the shade 10. Oh, I almost forgot. Now I'll use my mascara, and this is Catrice Rockcouture Waterproof Mascara. So that's it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, comment if you want something, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!